Hello, my name is Susie Jane, and I'm excited for you to join me today. Today, I'd like for us to take a little walk in the forest together, rest, relax, and find peace beneath the trees. Let's get started by finding a comfortable place to sit or lie down, making sure we have any props to help us feel the most comfortable. If you'd like to grab a blanket, pillow, or eye mask, you can go ahead and do that now. Let's close our eyes and take some deep breaths together. Breathing in and out at the count of 3. Releasing out through your nose. Again. Letting go of the stress of your day. Letting go of any worrying thoughts you may have. And now letting it all go through an audible exhale out your open mouth. Last one here, in through the nose and out through the open mouth. This is a safe space for you to be with and connect with yourself. Now, the next several breaths can be at your own rhythm, and I want you to imagine a lush forest. It's green and vibrant and full of life. It's safe here. Nothing here will harm you. You are protected. There are big, tall trees, ferns, lots of blooming, colorful flowers, moss covering the trees and the forest floor, lichen, wild mushrooms with their varying colors and sizes, and the sound of a gentle stream nearby. You may even hear some birds in the background. Now let's go for a little walk in this forest. As you enter into the forest, you feel a sense of peace wash over you like a wave. It's so calm here. You are away from technology and immersed in nature. There's nothing to worry about here. The ground is soft, almost spongy beneath your feet. You feel light, and even lighter with each step you take. You look up, and you see the canopy of trees above you, the trees gently swaying in the wind, and with the leaves dancing in the air. As you continue your walk, you take in your surroundings. You feel fully present here in the forest, in your body, safe and at peace. What else do you see? Are there specific plants you recognize? Or what about friendly animals or creatures? How do you feel in their presence? You can ask them to join you on your walk if you'd like. Now, as you look ahead of you, you see a beautiful, lush bed of moss surrounded by beautiful, blooming, purple flowers. There, you see the sun shining through the canopy of trees directly over this space. It looks like a magical place. It seems to be calling you. You go over to the moss and find yourself gently lying down. It's so soft and comforting. As you touch the moss, you feel it soft beneath your fingertips, like tons of tiny little feathers. Somehow, it's not wet. It's just cozy, as if the forest were giving you a big hug. It feels like a little nest here, made just for you. You feel the sun shining upon your body and part of your face. It's so warm and nice. It feels like a blanket. You take a deep breath. The deepest breath you've taken in a long time. You breathe in the fresh forest air. The fragrant air fills your lungs and removes any stagnant air that's built up. You feel calm and relaxed. So relaxed, you could almost take a little nap here right now. It's okay to fall asleep here for a short while. The forest will hold you and protect you in this space. Let's relax here for the next few minutes in silence and enjoy this time on the moss. You awake to something gently touching your arm. You look up and you see a little bird resting on your elbow. It's a hummingbird. It has big, bright eyes and a beautiful, glimmering, colorful body. You see shades of purples and blues, and even hints of green. The way its feathers glimmer in the sunlight seem like a million little sparks. You are looking at each other. The little bird doesn't seem to be afraid. Eventually, after some time, the bird slowly spreads its wings and flies to a tree nearby, almost as if to say, "It's time to go now." You take a big stretch and slowly roll over and get up out of the moss bed. You feel rejuvenated, rested, and renewed. Slowly, you walk through the forest, observing your surroundings with new eyes. And before long, you find yourself at the entrance to the forest. You take a few last deep breaths. Say thank you to the forest, plants, and creatures. As you look back at the forest one last time, you feel it warm and inviting, as if it's saying, "Come back anytime you'd like." And with that, you take a step forward and find yourself back in the space you are meditating. Let's slowly start to wiggle our fingers and toes and give ourselves a big, warm hug. Maybe rolling onto your side or doing some gentle stretches. And slowly, when you're ready, opening your eyes and observing the space you're in. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a nice rest, and I hope to meet you here again soon. Take care and enjoy your day.